Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the vlog. So I forgot to kind of film an intro for my little vlog yesterday, so welcome to the vlog. It's gonna be a little bit jumbled. I figured I would do another vlog for you guys because you guys have been really enjoying my vlogs. I'm gonna show you a little snippet of the Aritzia shopping I did, because I did go and pick up a few things, and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Sorry, my chronic nose is leaking. One moment. So sorry, I'm back now. I figured I would show you guys a little bit of snippets, but before we get started, here is the Aritzia shop with me part. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. So I'm actually not working tomorrow, which is why I am here after work today at STC. I'm going to pick up my stuff from Aritzia because I ordered some stuff and it came in and I forgot to pick it up. It's been 2 or 3 weeks. So let's go in and take a look at what they have. So I just went to Saint Germain, which, by the way, if you have never been to this bakery, it's really good. There's one here and one in Markville. They just make really good Chinese buns and baked goods. Dee's birthday was about last week's, and I didn't get to see her because she was off for her birthday. So I just picked up a slice of cake for her, and let's go up. I'm so creepy. She's over there. Let's get her reaction. Here's Esther. What you wearing, Esther?
Helena Croft.
Look at her. Very cute.
Fresh shotties.
Very cute.
Hey.
Okay, real quick, Dee's outfit. No face today. What are you wearing, Dee?
I'm wearing the Coco's Denim Forum.
Very nice.
Yep. And I'm wearing the Babaton short crop blazer, but it's sold out right now.
Sorry, guys.
But it's coming back December.
Oh.
Okay.
And you guys can definitely message Dee on Instagram. I will always link her. Or you can message any of the girls that I've linked, and you can ask them to help you out, and they can order. Yeah? What's underneath though? Sculpt?
Oh, I'm wearing the
Sculpt?
Contour Sculpt
Contour Sculpt bodysuit.
Yeah, and it's
very
the most
nice.
comfortable thing.
Very
Comes
nice.
in so many colors.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Real quick, I gotta show you guys this because I get a million questions about the modern utility in this color that I have. But they came out with this new pant. It's called the Green Witch. Is this TNA? Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm using my iPhone and it's not the best. But anyways, similar look. So you guys can get this pant. Yesterday I didn't have time to do a full shop with me because I went after work, and I didn't have time to do a full shop with me because I had to rush home and give Harley his medication. Because if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, at @_HelloHarley, then you wouldn't know that Harley has been sick. I think I'm gonna put this vlog up after Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving weekend this weekend, so I guess this vlog will be technically in real time. But I had a vlog that I wanted to schedule to come out to replace this vlog, but that vlog footage is kind of all over the place, so I think I'm just gonna scrap that vlog because this vlog will be much more interesting. So today is a Friday. I'm off today, which is really nice to have a 4-day weekend. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to Sugar Moon to get waxed, but that appointment's not until 10:55. Oh no, 9:55. So I have a bit of time before I have to walk on over there. But here is what I'm gonna show you guys. Foist. Here's the Aritzia stuff. So my good friend, now friend, Alex Horvath, we talk all the time. She really likes the Cozy AF Perfect High Rise shorts, and I ended up picking up the crystal pink one in a size large. The medium fits me, but it just shows my butt cheek a little bit too much, so if I have to hem them in to taper into my waist a little bit more, I don't mind. So but I ended up picking up a large, and then I did order the plain air blue because I have the plain air blue zip up hoodie. So if I do one day find this in hoodie or sweatshirt form, I will end up picking up that. But this is in crystal pink, and then I figured it would go okay even though I'm not gonna be wearing it in the fall with my I think it's called the Venice bra, where it's like one shouldered, because I don't have anything that matches that, and you know, I really like that matchy look. And then I ended up picking up a Cortado sweater for myself. So a lot of you guys were like asking me about it last time, because I think this is sold out now, unfortunately. But yeah, I picked up the Cortado for myself in a size small. Sorry guys, no try-ons today. Okay, I got a package from Louis Vuitton, and I figured I'd unbox it on camera because these things are fun. But yeah, don't worry, it's not a bag, it's not an accessory. It's actually the most boring thing you could possibly think of. But it's just so funny how they make it so impossible to get into. Okay, let me just do this. So cute. That is so cute. Okay, it came with a shopping bag. It smells funky. And here's my receipt, my proof of purchase. That is so stinking cute. It comes in this little file now. That is so stinking cute. And all my info is on there, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. That is so stinking cute. And here we are to unveil. Oh, should I take little pictures of this first? So let's open this up. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I just bought a bag that is really cute. So this is not a big purchase. It's just an agenda insert. I have this agenda that I use. Oh, I can grab it. It's the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM. And every year I get the inserts for the agenda. This is what it looks like for last year. They're really cute. They have beautiful illustrations. Yeah, and I could get a cheaper agenda insert, like, I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful illustrations. Oh, it's Christian Dior. So anyways, this year it looks like this, and the price actually went up because I just get the 2021 diary refill week on 2 pages. And they're usually 55, but it was 64 plus tax. And when my essay like charged me out, I was like, what the hell, did he charge me for the right one? Anyways, let's look at it. I think this year they did all Vivian, and comes with some stickers, which is really cute. I never use these stickers, to be honest, and these ones are kind of ugly. I don't know why my camera's trying to like focus out. It's just a cute little, I don't know, it just does the job and it's good. So since the year is coming to an end, well, not yet. Some people are like, not soon enough. The year will end soon. I honestly don't want it to become winter, even though my birthday's in the winter. I hate the winter. I wanted a Prada bag that is really hip right now, and the price is not that bad. I think it's like $700, which is still expensive, okay? Don't get me wrong, it's still expensive. But I really like the size of it, and they have one. I saw it on Conscious Coupable, or Conscious Coupable, or Claude. So she bought this little thing, and I thought it was the sweetest little bag. So it's called the Re-Edition Nylon Mini Shoulder Bag, and I think it retails for about like $700. It's like 6 something Canadian dollars, and they have the black one, but it doesn't fit an iPhone. So I'm like hemming and hawing about it, because like, first of all, I did buy some like big purchase items, and Harley's been sick, so he's been, you know, costing a lot of money because of that. So I should probably save, but I have an addiction to buying stuff. Okay, here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this WILFRED free TAMU t-shirt in a size medium. Really love this turtleneck, and then I have on my Missouri, oh my god, my hair is like all over the place, so let's get that out of the way. This is my Missouri herringbone necklace. It's 14 karat gold. This one is the zodiac necklace with my zodiac, which is that Sagittarius. These pants are the TNA cargo pants, but I don't think they actually sell them anymore. Sorry about the streak mark. And then it came with this belt. They have the shorts version, but I don't think they have this pant version anymore, which is a shame, but really, really cute, very Kilo style. And then I have this little bag on. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it already. This is the Teddy Blake Eva 6-inch, and it is so stinking cute. Since I'm just going to Sugar Moon because I'm like walking over there, I don't need much. So I'm just gonna carry my phone in like my jacket, whatever jacket I pick, and then just my card and maybe a hand sanitizer in here, and I'm good to go. So that's the outfit. And then this is also, okay, this is like all my sponsorships in one video. Or not sponsorships, but you know, like my affiliates in one video. This chain is actually from Next Fashion. So if you want any of these, the Missouri, the Next Fashion, or the Teddy Blake, I have codes for all of these. Missouri, you don't need a code. You just have to be a new customer or if you have a new email. And then Next Fashion, I have a code which will be linked down below. And then Teddy Blake, I also have a code which will be linked down below. But I'm not trying to sell this stuff to you guys. Like I legitimately am going and using them. Like I'm gonna go out and use these things right now. All right, so yeah. Just showing you though. Anyways, I got this bench and I really like it. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. It's gonna probably go in my closet or my room, so I don't know, but I figured I'd just show you guys like quickly. All right, everyone, here is today's outfit I'm wearing. This is the TNA Alpha t-shirt. I just have it tucked in. It's very nice and structured, so it keeps this like cross tuck look really nicely. And then I'm wearing these are really old. They're from WILFRED. They're the Torontos, so you can't find this pattern anymore, but I'm pretty sure you can still find this pant. And then my jewelry, I have on the Missouri herringbone, my favorite. This is discontinued. It's a shell necklace. It was also vermeil. And then obviously my favorite, the Bold Links chain. This is vermeil. And then I have on this, which you guys have never seen it in my videos, but I showed it on Instagram, and it's my new Chanel medium flap. There's a price increase soon rumored, so I wanted to get it for my birthday, but I just got it now because I'm not paying extra like 2 months later. So yeah, that's my outfit.
How beautiful is this posture? Oh my god, it's a beautiful posture. Great job sitting.
Is PlayStation also Japanese? It's Max.
There's my pumpkin.
What did we do? Did you draw that scary face yourself?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, we're gonna show everyone what it looks like in the dark later.
No, Max. No. You're staying in there.
Look at this one. This one's Max.
I didn't let Max go in.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We just had Thanksgiving with my sister and her husband, and Max came over as you saw, and then Jimmy came over, which is my sister's nephew. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.